Yo, what is up? Welcome back. My name is Rahnni Fitteds.
Kobe.
We love fitted hats.
Yeah.
We collect fitted hats.
Yeah.
And this is a fitted hat channel.
Yes,
Yo, special guest in the house. We haven't seen him in the video in a while. So, Kobe,
What up?
say what's up to the people.
What up, y'all? What up?
Did you miss him?
I missed him.
Yeah, bro.
Always.
Yeah. We need to have you in the videos more. But, thank you for joining me today. He wanted to jump in, bring the vibes. Today is going to be a pretty dope video. I got a special care package from the good people over at Hatclub. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. I don't know if you know.
I have no idea.
You kind of do, right? Because I wore this hat for a reason. This is the Michael Myers inspired Chicago Cubs. And that's a good hat too, bro. I don't know where you got it from, but that's a good hat.
I don't know.
He's got on the Renita, my collaboration with Birdines. Great hat. Anyways, this is it. Special video with special care package. So, I'm just gonna open it. I don't even have a knife or anything. So, fitted hat ASMR. We need to speed this video up. They send out special boxes with the special wrapping. That's when you know it's gonna be fire. Yeah. I said very scary because this is going to be Hatclub's. I'm pretty sure Hatclub's horror pack, right? Which is going to be a restock of the ones they did earlier this year, plus some few new ones. And also they did drop this week the jack-o'-lanterns, which are the orange crowns and green undervisor. But yeah, let's go ahead and check this out. So
Bare hands. Monster.
that's monster mash. Oh shoot! All right, so Kobe, it'll be your first time seeing this. I've seen some videos with this, but yeah, boom! Hatclub horror pack.
That's some dope packaging.
That
bro.
is dope packaging.
That is dope packaging.
I don't know if you guys know, this logo is going to be made by Eric's logo, Starboy. He's a fitted collector and also a pin creator. Go check him out. This is so dope. He's got his very own collaboration pin with Hatclub. This is levels. That is sick. And that looks like kind of like Pennywise.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
right?
See it, yeah.
Pennywise. So
Peekaboo.
ooh, it's called the Peeker pin, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, it's called the Peeker pin. So super dope, PR box. Really dope with the logo on it. In 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay. What I like about Hatclub is when they send out the special packages, the little goodies inside is actually
always.
something I'm always looking forward to. So once again, shout out to the good people at Hatclub, Davey, A-Lab, everyone there. So
Everybody.
there's this dope little card here. Get it a focus for y'all. Spooky. I wonder what movie they're watching. So Kobe, look at that. Oh, okay. Well, we got this movie poster. I see what they did there. Look at that. Yo, this is Hatclub's movie. It's called the Horror Pack. Yes, that's what it is. You got the hats down there too. Not bad. Show it in the background while I go through. Act 2 popcorn. I love popcorn. Put 2 minutes. 2 minutes for real. I don't like burnt popcorn, so just do 2 minutes. Get some butter on there, get some salt on there too, right?
Yeah.
All right, next we got red vines. I love candy. Red vines or Twizzlers? Let me know in the comments.
But is this the best movie candy though?
What is the best movie candy? It is definitely popcorn.
That's not candy, bro.
That's
let,
not a
let us
can.
know. Let us
Well,
know
what's
what you
yours,
guys
bro?
prefer. I like those little crunch. You know, the little
Yo,
crunch.
he don't even know the name. That's not his favorite.
It's like the crunch balls.
Whoppers, bro.
No, but it's called crunch. Yeah, crunch whoppers. If you know, you know.
Oh, bro. What is this? Kind of creepy. I don't want it on my hat though.
I think it's like, yeah, some ink packs.
Some ink packs, yes. Ooh, these are dope. Here we go, y'all. Like I said earlier, made by Eric, pin creator. He did a collab with Hatclub. It's super dope, super inspiring. Here we have the 2 exclusive Hatclub made by Eric pins. Boom.
Those are clean.
Yeah, this one is fire, bro.
Not bad, not bad.
Super dope. Dang. Take a look.
Let me take a gander at these.
A gander. He's got the star on the backing. That's crazy. All right. Let's go ahead and show the first hat, okay? This is going to be from the Jack-o'-lantern. In 3, 2, 1. Boom! Seattle Mariners. All right. So, Kobe, let me focus. There we go. So, we have the orange Seattle with the compass logo on there. Oh. All right. Orange crown, orange brim. Clean, clean. 25th anniversary side patch. I like that. I like the green in there. Green and orange look really good together. And then we got the Batterman, green, orange, and white. Yeah, there. Yeah, green, classic Kelly green under visor. Right, Kobe?
Yeah.
Classic Kelly green, bro.
Reminds me kind of like Reese's Pieces.
Yeah. Reese's Pieces. Reese's Pieces. Black Guts. This one is made in China. It really does look like Reese's Pieces. Yeah. All right. Great hat. Fit Hat Club. What were we gonna say?
Nothing. Want to hold it out back here?
Yo, this packaging is so dope. I love this design of the box, man.
Yeah, the packaging is really dope.
Did they make this a pin? That would be kind of cool.
No, I don't think they did.
All right. Clarice, you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Boom! The Pittsburgh Pirates with the COVID mask logo. This one is the best one, in my opinion, from the Horror Pack new collection. Look at this. Man, so we got the mask on this. They chose this logo because this hat is inspired by Hannibal, you know, Silence of the Lambs. So, look at that, man. Orange glow around the logo. You know, clean. The mask has got like a cream stitching. And then we got the orange button on the top, orange on the bill. This is a beauty. We got the Three Rivers Stadium side patch. It's focusing on Kobe.
Okay.
No, you good, bro. You good. Look at that. Clean. Okay. And then we got the current logo, Jolly Roger, on there. Kind of interesting, kind of unique. I kind of like that, though.
I think that's dope. I think
like
it's
that.
actually
Oh.
very sick that
And
they
then-
have a backing like this.
Yeah.
So,
Black Guts. And then show him the undervisor, my bro.
was a dark
Put it to the camera.
army green.
Yeah, kind of like an army olive green. Really cool. I like that. Yeah, this one. Oh, this one's a banger for sure. No, for real. That's my opinion. I love it.
Yeah, this one's clean.
Yeah, off-white, two-tone.
I could see myself wearing this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Join in, bro. Join in. Gotta get you some care packages one day.
Maybe.
That's a good 2 hat right there. Your Hat Club. Once again, thank you for sending the care package over. I mean, the presentation is flawless. Seriously, got the blood splatter on there too. I love the little goodies. We got the candy, the popcorn, the movie poster. Yeah. Look at that. So, real quick, horror pack, the restock of the original horror pack, which is a great collection, one of my favorite collections this year. My favorite hat from that collection is probably the Chicago Cubs, Michael Myers. But we also have that Seattle Mariners, Freddy Krueger, Cleveland Indians. Let us know down in the comments if we post this video after the drop. Let us know what you copped. If we dropped it before, I think we'll drop this video after the drop. So just let us know what you copped down below in the comments. Like the video, subscribe. What are you doing, bro?
I'm telling you. I'm just emphasizing what you said.
Yeah. Yes. And then, yeah, that's it. I mean, anything else you want to say?
Nah, just appreciate y'all. You know, keep rocking with us and don't be afraid to create. Yes, sir.
Well said, bro. I'm Rahnni Fitteds.
Kobe.
Thank you guys. Like Kobe said, don't be afraid to create. Please comment, like, and subscribe. We're out. Peace. Very quick.